Hello, welcome to Office Towers. So, thank you for joining me here. It's a very special event today. So, this is it, the big Office light switch on. Are you ready? Let me take you there. Okay, here goes the Office Christmas lights. 3, 2, 1. There we go. The Office Christmas lights. So we're here in Office Towers, and there is also just a little Christmas tree. Oh, and one more. There we go, all ready for Christmas. So there we go, the Office Christmas lights switch on. Wishing you a lovely December.